Lay drop cloths down on the walkway to the work area. Tape over HVAC supplies and returns. Plastic off the doorway and hang plastic throughout the work area, sealing off other areas from dust. Ensure to seal in between floor joists and along walls. Plastic may also be hung around the furnace to prevent dust from filling the HVAC system. A fan can be placed in the window to pull air out of the basement, creating negative pressure to help keep dust from spreading throughout the rest of the home. An air scrubber may be used as well. At the desired sump basket location, remove about a 3-foot section of concrete using a jackhammer with 3-inch chisel bit and dig 2 feet below the floor. All soil and concrete may be hauled away. Attach the bottom of the basket with 2 zip ties. P-rock may be placed under the sump basket to bring it to level. Some areas require the top of the basket to sit above the floor. Check with your local building department. Attach multi-flow to 4-inch adapters to 2-foot sections of corrugated drain tile. Slit the ends of the 4-inch drain tile so that it can be rolled and tucked into the sump basket. Drill 2 4-inch holes in the sump basket about 6 inches below the top of the footing and attach the pre-assembled sections. If starting your trench away from the sump basket, start by opening up about a 1-foot square of the floor to find the footing. You will want your trench to extend about 6 inches beyond the edge of the footing. A double line may be jackhammered to help keep a cleaner edge, reducing pop-outs. Jackhammer the first line beyond the edge of the footing, then come back and jackhammer a second line for the edge of the trench. The pieces will break out much easier on the second line. Remove the concrete. Dig a trench alongside of the footing deep enough so that the top of the multi-flow can sit even with the top of the footing. Drill 3/4-inch weep holes in the cores and seams of all the blocks. Verify if it is 2 or 3 core block. Run the multi-flow from the sump basket around the perimeter of the basement. Connect the multi-flow to the 4-inch adapters. Inspection ports may be placed at locations of radon mitigation systems near the opposite end of the basement from the sump basket or other desired accessible locations. Seal all connections with tile tape. Fill the trench with P-rock below and beside the multi-flow. Pack the rock into the trench. Lay SafeEdge MAX tight to the wall on top of the footing. If resting on P-rock, ensure it is flat or slightly angled towards the wall to keep the SafeEdge tab tight to the wall while pouring concrete. Adhere one section to the next with polyurethane sealant. At corners, cut the stick of SafeEdge MAX to length or use a SafeEdge MAX coupler with a scrap piece of SafeEdge. Install 6 mil vapor barrier over the P-Rock and SafeEdge. For low profile SafeEdge, the process is the same, except the edging is tucked under the existing framing for the wall. The vapor barrier is installed over the P-Rock and SafeEdge and run up the sheetrock where it is taped, leaving a pocket beneath the wall to pour back concrete. Mix concrete over plastic in the driveway to prevent staining in case of spills. Haul concrete to the basement in place in the trench. Finish the concrete such that it is smooth and level, and feather out the edges where it meets the existing concrete. Clean the work area. This concludes the installation of the SafeBasements interior drain tile system.